everyone, I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make two things actually: fox oil and incense for the fox spirit. This is more or less for when you're working with fox spirits, or if it's your totem animal, your power animal, your guardian, and you want to anoint things, you want to do an offering for them and stuff. So yes, I'm at my altar right here. As you can see, I even have like this, which has the 9-tailed fox on it. And let's see, hopefully you guys will be okay right there. So first I'm going to show you guys how to make the incense. You're going to need a little bottle. I don't plan on making a huge batch because I can't burn a lot of loose incense, but I do like to have some of it. And I put it in my little oil burner right here. So we need that. Next, you're gonna need sandalwood, red sandalwood. So yes. Now, there's no exact measurements to this. I am using a little spoon, but literally there's no exact measurements. And actually, I'll show you guys something at the end of the video after we're done with this. So I'm just doing it one by one so I don't make too much. Then you're going to want frankincense and myrrh, which I have a tendency of calling it myrrh. This is what it is, and it's resin incense. I'm trying to look for like the small pieces. We're in here. Okay. Next, you're gonna want some cedar. It's definitely cheaper if you go to like Walmart or something that has these little bags of cedar chips. Because you can literally just open it and use it that way. They make a great addition for a cheap price. Have to put it down. Okay. See? Okay, now I'm using this, which is considered mulling spice, but it has pretty much everything that I need for this, such as clove, orange peels, allspice, and cinnamon, along with lemon peels.
It feels like a
Anyways, this is how it looks. It smells very good. Oh, wrong thing. And then you're gonna want to take some orange essential oil and put it in it. Just a few drops. Oh yes, and you actually want to put a sage leaf in it. You can put more, but I can only use one. And I'm crushing it up. would also highly suggest putting hawthorn berries in it, or juniper berries if possible. But I can't, so I'm working with what I can. There we go. That's what it looks like. Okay, now for the oil, you're gonna need oil. This is soybean oil and extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you want. And this is a little bottle I'm going to use at least. I tried taking the thing off, but I might just leave it on there and write fox oil on it or something. So we're going to do that first. Be careful because this might get messy. Okay, now you're going to want frankincense, orange, peppermint, cinnamon, and a eucalyptus essential oil. Now you're only going to do 1 drop of each. If you do more than a drop, that's fine, but you want to just try and do 1 drop each. Oh boy, this one doesn't even have the thing, so I'm just going to do it this way. Oh, there it goes. We didn't even leak, thank goodness. Go in there. Alright, next, do it that way. You're gonna want to put in cloves, a whole piece of clove. Then you're gonna need some allspice, chips of cinnamon, and then you're gonna have frankincense and myrrh resin. I'm only putting 1 of each. Then, if you have regular Howlite crystal chips, it's best to use that, but I have beads, so I'm just going to put that in there instead. And lastly, you're going to add a rose petal to it. It's been dried, and of course, you know, been through the whole thing. There we go. And I'm also going to add a few strands of what is it called? Juniper. This is what my little piece looks like. And there we go. And give it a good shake. spirits are oil. Kind of looks a little weird, but what doesn't when we're doing our craft? It smells very warm. Like, this definitely reminds me of autumn. So yeah. These are the two projects that I hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am always willing to help. Keep a lookout for more videos that I am going to be doing relating to fox spirits. So, yes. I hope you all have a very good day. Stay safe during this pandemic. And I will see you later.